evening, everyone. Right now it's about 6:15 p.m. and today is 24th of November 2021. And I'm back here with you, your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I am partner with Zerodha Hub Stocks Wise and Astha Trade and founder and chief mentor at StockPro. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on my YouTube channel. You can follow me. This is my YouTube channel. You can follow me on the Telegram where I'm super duper active. So if you have a look at what kind of trades I have given today, yesterday I had given a buy on Raymond's, right? Raymond's I have given for a buy, and today it has moved massively. See, I have given a buy at 532. Today almost it gave 100 points, right? Since yesterday and today, almost like 20% move, right? Then I've given a buy Zeal at 320. It has made a high of, if I understand correctly, Zeal has made a high of 335. Here is the high, 337.6, right? So almost like 17, 18 points. Adani Ports have given for a buy at 741, right? And let's have a look what high Adani Ports made. It made a high of 772. Right? So from almost like 31 points straight up, right? Idea I have given for a buy. I've been advocating buy idea at about 10.6 and today it's 11 rupees, right? And my target for idea is about 12 rupees. Then Zeal have given Adani Ports. Tata Power gave, I think 1 point, I think it gave, and that's about it. But its a lot size is pretty big, so you can definitely make good money. LTTS I have given in the morning. So it made a high, it gave almost like 38 points. Lotus Lab, right? I've given a buy on Lotus Lab at 500, right? And look at Lotus Lab, it's a top gainer and it made a high of 514. I had also a few days back given a buy on Chambal fertilizer, right? And it looks to be heading in the upper direction. It gave a beautiful breakout and it gave a high of 389.95. So these are the kind of research. This is the kind of research we do. This is the kind of work we do, and I'm sure nobody will take so many pains to provide you quality research. So follow me anywhere you want, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Telegram. Telegram I'm super active, but you can also follow me at Twitter and YouTube. All right. So now बात करते हैं कि कल expiry है, right? What happened in Nifty? Let's have a look at Nifty. So see here at this place, if you see, there is a strong candle has been made, you know, like this is a rejection candle, price rejection candle. And the same candle is behaving as a resistance. So yesterday market went up and little bit retracement happened by the end of day. Today market tried to become very positive, but twice it has taken a resistance from the same place, 17,600. Rather 3-4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it has taken resistance from the same place, which is 17,600. And after that, once it broke this past barrier, it had a massive fall, right? So the market, I scanned the entire market about few minutes back before I was about to make video, and I'm finding that market is pretty weak at this point of time, right? But as I always tell you, I am on buy side almost all the time and hoping for some good trades tomorrow, or maybe we'll have to go for some sell trades. So in case you're looking for some sell trades, so the first trade sell का जो है मेरे radar पे उसका नाम है Wipro, right? Wipro is the first sell trade that I have on my radar. So what's the reason why Wipro is there and where can we enter into Wipro? So you can enter into Wipro when this low is broken, right? 627, जहां से इसने एक बार support लिया, 2 बार support लिया, that place is an important place. 627 के नीचे आप इसको short कर सकते हैं, right? एक और स्टॉक जो मेरे रडार पे है वो है पेज इंडस्ट्रीज फॉर शॉर्टिंग अगेन, राइट? पेज इंडस्ट्रीज is looking good for shorting, right? This is how page industry looks in 15 minutes time frame. कहाँ पे हमको इसको शॉर्ट करना है? When the 39060 का लो ब्रेक होगा, we can definitely go for a short, right? So ये दो trades हैं मेरे radar पे जो shorting के लिए है. There are some trades which I have kept for buying. Out of them, one is ICICI Bank, right? One is ICICI Bank. So this looks promising to me, the kind of recovery that has come. But buying हमको कहाँ पे initiate करनी है? We have to buy above 772.25. यहाँ पे हमको buy करनी है, right? ये जो past barrier है, पीछे जो barrier बार बार इसको लगा है, उसके ऊपर हमको buying करनी है, right? So ICICI बैंक हमको buy करके चलना है. एक और trade जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है buy करने के लिए, which is future FSL, right? Let me type FSL. Your first source solution, not missing, but FSL, right? FSL is looking good. And in FSL, if you see, the price has been range bound and within the body of the first candle. So we have an entry above this place, right? 179.3 के ऊपर हमको entry लेनी है in FSL, right? So that was my one trade. Another trade that looks good to me as of now is NTPC, right? NTPC is also looking good for me, good to me, right? With the kind of range bound market, like it gave a breakout today from 135 to 137. And as the market fell towards the end, Nifty has a correction. So this also fell, and you will see all the stocks which were really trending up like Zeal, Adani, Idea, Chambal, Loris, Torrent Power, all of them have corrected little bit towards the end, right? Now हम क्या करते हैं, निफ्टी को हम ऑप्शन चेंज की नजर से भी देख लेते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है निफ्टी के अंदर, राइट? नाउ हैव अ लुक एट दिस प्लेस. यहाँ पे देखो आप, यहाँ पे कितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स लिखे गए यहाँ तक, 27 and 36, right? Almost like 60K, 1 lakh, 1,35,000, 1,75,000, 1,90,000, 210, 225, like 200, 2,25,000 contracts have been written here, from here to here. And on the put side, let's say हमने कितने कॉलम लिए इधर, कितने रो लिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. यहाँ पे भी हम उतने ही रोज ले लेते हैं, एंड यहाँ से हम ले लेते हैं ऐसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, यहाँ तक ले लेते हैं हम. काउंट करके देखते हैं कितना है. तो 8 और 3 11, 8 4 12 ले लेते हैं, 12 4 16, 16 4 20, 20 6 26, 26 और 10 26 और 10 36, 36 और 7 44 and no 43 plus 11. Plus 11 is going to make it 54, right? 54,000 contracts have been written here, whereas here there are 2.25 lakh contracts have been written, right? So almost like 4 times contracts have been written here. It's a very strong resistance. I'm not expecting Nifty to open be positive tomorrow. I'm not expecting Nifty to be positive tomorrow for sure, right? Now let's have a look, where is the support, right? Support kahan pe hai? Wherever we find good call writing, put writing, that will be our support. So अगर हम यहाँ देखते हैं तो हमको सपोर्ट कहीं पे नजर नहीं आ रहा है कल की एक्सपायरी में. मे बी नेक्स्ट मंथ 2 दिसंबर की एक्सपायरी में शायद वी विल गेट टू सी व्हाट इज द सपोर्ट फॉर्मिंग. सो सपोर्ट इज फॉर्मिंग एट 17,000, राइट? 17,000 के आसपास ही इसमें एक सपोर्ट बनता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है, राइट? 21,000 14,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स लिखे गए यहाँ पे. तो as of now, tomorrow's expiry doesn't look very promising to me. मतलब on a positive side, it definitely is going to expire somewhere in 17,200 or 17,300 इनके आसपास कहीं पे expire होगा, right? और यहाँ पे आप देख लो, यहाँ पे huge call writing, तो 17,400 के नीचे ही expire होगी निफ्टी, right? इसी तरह बैंक निफ्टी को भी देख लेते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है. एंड बैंक निफ्टी में अगर हम देखते हैं तो देयर हैव बीन कॉल अनवाइंडिंग्स हियर, एंड out here you will see huge call writing, right? So if I take certain amount of contracts, यहाँ से हम ले लेते हैं contracts और देखते हैं कितना आता है. तो ये आ गया roughly about 25, 40, 57, 55 ले लेते हैं. 55 plus 25 is 80, 80 plus 20, 100 and 102, 102,000, मतलब 1,02,000 contracts हैं here. और इसी तरह हम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 लेवल यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 यहाँ तक. नो सॉरी, we have to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So यहाँ पे देखते हैं. This is 30, 43, 53, 53 plus 24, 34 कर लेते हैं. 53 plus 24, 77 plus 7 is 84 plus 4, 84, 88. राइट. सो ये सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स जो है 88 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं. और अगर आप इसको भी देखते हो तो यहाँ पे इसको भी कंबाइन करके तो ऑलमोस्ट बराबर है. बैंक निफ्टी में कोई खास ऐसा नहीं है, बट निफ्टी इज वेरी बेरिश. राइट, निफ्टी इज एक्सट्रीमली बेरिश. इट कुड बी any reason, anything, I don't know what may be the reason, but bank nifty doesn't look that bearish, but nifty looks extremely bearish for tomorrow's expiry. Right, if you just once again want to have a look at the kind of call options that have been written here. Huge call option, right? Put writing is very, very negligible. So the ratio is almost like 1:4. So it's going to be very almost impossible for nifty to close above 17,400. It looks that way, right? But hope for the best, you never know. So because I'm always have I already given you the stock? I've given you NTPC, I've given you FSL. I'll give you one or two more stocks. Out of them, one stock is ICICI Bank. Right, one of them is ICICI Bank that I will be on my radar for buying. Right, so ICICI Bank looks good, although there has been a drop, but above this base 772 we can have a good entry. Now, one stock that I would like you to keep on your radar for tomorrow's buying opportunity or in a day or two, it's Tejas Network. Right, this is a cash stock, Tejas Network. इसको आप अपने रडार पे रखिए and it looks pretty promising to me. अगर हम इसको वन डे के टाइम फ्रेम में देखते हैं तो इसने पास्ट बैरियर को ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेक किया है. राइट, तो ये कंसोलिडेशन जोन है और वी कैन टेक एन एंट्री अबव दिस प्लेस. राइट, विच इज 472 के ऊपर हम बाय कर सकते हैं इसको फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ अबाउट 500, 520, 540 एंड 560. स्टॉप लॉस हमारा रहेगा कुछ 420 का. राइट, सो 50 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा और टारगेट हमारा कम से कम रहेगा इसमें 100 points का. Right, so 1:2 risk reward ratio we will be maintaining. So this is Tejas Network. Right, you can go for a buy because look at the two solid candles. There have been just buying into these two candles. Wait in case market is negative tomorrow, wait for some more correction and then you can buy. अगर यहाँ पे भी आप lower level पे भी इसको average कर सकते हो, या you can buy it at the lower level. अगर कल गिरता है नीचे because Nifty is having correction, then you can buy it at the lower level. Right, so these are few stocks. So I'll just quickly repeat: NTPC, FSL, ICICI Bank and Tejas Network. These are the 4 stocks that I'm giving. Nifty is looking pretty much bearish. Bank Nifty is still looking decent, but let's see what happens in the live market. Right, all the best, guys. Take care. And this is my Twitter account. Follow me here, or you can follow me on the YouTube, or you can follow me on the Telegram channel where I'm super active. And with this, I'm signing off. All the best and take care, and see you tomorrow in the live market. Please join our live trading session. We will be conducting a live trading session tomorrow as well. Okay, I forgot, I've given 2 sell trades also. एक मैंने sell trade दिया विप्रो का और एक sell trade दिया है पेज इंडस्ट्रीज का. 2 मैंने आपको sell trade भी दिए हैं. Right, so keep them on radar. And we are conducting a live trading session here tomorrow. You can join me from 9-10 से लेकर 10 बजे तक आप मुझे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. And I'm hoping you will make good money along with us. Bye bye, take care, see you.